Hey folks, I'm Eddie. I have Fitbit Inspire 3 in front of me, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the order of exercise shortcuts. Now, if you go to the app, we will see that here we have a specific type of exercises. The first one is walk, then we have run, bike, and so on. So let's say we want to put swim on the top to be the first on the list. Let's see how we can do that. So let's open the app. Tap here on the profile, Inspire 3, scroll down, and tap here on exercise shortcuts. Here you have that order, and we can just tap here on swimming and move it up to the top. So now we can see that swim is on the first place. Now let's go back, and now we can tap on sync now. So we need to sync or send this new data to the Fitbit. So let's wait a little bit here. Okay, now if we go to the Fitbit, go back to exercises, we can see that swim is on the first place now. And that's how easy it really is. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day. See you in the next one.